Hello beautiful beings, welcome to the channel where we grow, glow, and expand our soul. And today, right now, at this moment, in this present moment, currently when you're watching this video, I want you to make a decision on what exactly you want right now, that you feel like it's not happening, it's not working out. I want you to just decide right now that it is, and think and be like it is happening right now, as if it is happening and it is occurring so fast. When we're working on our manifestations, I want to talk about how it's important to be a clear, concise communicator, how it's important to express what you want and express your feelings, your thoughts, the reason you want this manifestation. Sure, I mean, it could be just because you want to feel good, you want to feel happy, like it makes you feel happy, but it's also, you shouldn't also put your feelings out there and think that, oh, when I get this, then I'll be happy. When I get this thing, then I'll feel fulfilled, then I'll feel joyful, then I'll feel abundant. No, you decide that you want to feel these feelings now. But first, you just want to know why is it that you want that manifestation, because the feelings that it makes you feel, it's the key. The feelings that you think that the manifestation is going to create for you are the feelings that you should incorporate right now. And whatever doubts, whatever worries, whatever limitations you feel that are on your manifestations right now, even though there's no blocks, no nothings, but it's what your mind thinking that there is limitations, fears, I want you to speak them out loud. And I know a lot of people get worried, like even I would get worried, is that like, oh wait, what if my words are manifesting? Like I can't even talk about my situation. It manifests. What if like, but like you are, like the situation is already there. Like just talk about it. Just talk about it. Let it out. Let all the feelings go, and then work on rewriting it. Because if it just keep like going like spinning through your brain, repeating in your mind that same story, and if you're not just letting it out like on a paper to let it go, or just talking it out with someone, like at least do something to release it, and then like rewrite the new story and work on just persisting and disciplining yourself in that. Because the more we let things just rot in our brain, it's gonna affect our aura, the way we interact with the world, our like mental state, and we're gonna be in our head and all the time instead of just focusing on being, the living from the heart, acting in the heart. Instead, we're just gonna have all these worries up here on our manifestations when it just naturally is. It's just naturally being who we are, because we already are master manifestors and we're already living the life we want to live. And it's all about how you think that will show up in your reality. So being decisive and not letting your manifestation waver and thinking that, oh wait, this is happening now, oh wait, but what about, like not going this direction, but staying firm on what you want, and it is going to manifest. You're not letting the 3D sway your opinions. Oh wait, maybe it should be that way, maybe I should adjust it a little bit. You're like, yeah, be open to new things, be open to how your manifestation will unfold, because you don't know how it will unfold. Honestly, you can't really predict that, because that's just the universe and things just come in like the most mysterious, magical, fun ways, you know. So what you can control is the way you think about your manifestation, and being clear and decisive on it, and not really going back to the fears, the limitations, the worries, the doubts. Once you release them, that's it. You're only on the new story now, and that's how you're going to operate. That's how you're going to run yourself and your mind. That's how it's going to be running, and it's naturally you're going to embed your subconscious mind with, oh yeah, so this is what's happening, this is like my life is working out perfectly, everything's working out best case scenario, I have everything that I want, my life is wonderful, my life is perfect, and my life is so fun and exciting. That's all you're going to be running, or whatever story you want in your mind. And when you operate on that attitude of like, oh, I know what I want, and this is how it's going to work out, and I know I'm getting what I want, and there's no other way to it. Oh wait, yeah, is that my manifestation? Oh wait, but it's not like that. Like, oh wait, that happened. Oh wait, maybe I should not manifest this anymore. Oh wait, that circumstance occurred. Maybe it's not gonna work. Like living off like that or like undecisive attitude rather than decisive, like, yeah, like that energy, like bringing that energy, anchoring that energy in, and embodying that more. Like, oh yeah, this is who I am. Being more confident and like, yeah, this is my reality. I'm gonna get what I want. There's no other way around it. Like that is the attitude and energy you want to embody yourself. That decisive, grounded, confident, powerful energy, because that's what you are. And you can like practice that more, just like are you doing like the superwoman or superpower pose? Like apparently there's studies on that. Like if you hold this position for like some minutes, like a few minutes a day, you feel more confident and you feel more powerful. You can just practice like saying affirmations in front of the mirror, having like a script. I know when I write things out personally, things just release. I like come up with new ideas. Like writing things out instead of just staying in your brain all the time helps so much more, rather than just keeping it in your mind, keeping it, holding it within. Because not I know sometimes you just don't want to complain. I know it's not really complaining, but it's just releasing. Like complaining about your what's happening. Like you're really just releasing all that out. And you don't have to talk to someone. If you feel like there's no one to talk to, just journal. That's what I do. Just journal everything out. You can have a separate book for journaling. And you can just release it, write everything out on one piece of paper, and even release it on the full moon or whatever day. You don't have to have a specific moon cycle, or a specific moon phase in order to release. You can do it in any day you want. You can just burn a piece of paper with all your worries, fears, doubts, and that's it. That's the end of it. You have to believe. You have to let go of the attachment to those beliefs, because maybe there's an aspect of ourselves that feels safe, that feels secure around these beliefs that we may have around our stories, limiting beliefs around money, around career, around friendships, around anything, absolutely anything. So basically what I'm trying to say is clearly communicate what you want and don't go back onto your old stories. Allow yourself to express your concerns of your current 3D reality, because you're a human, you're allowed to feel whatever you want to feel, but it's just you're expressing, you're observing yourself expressing, you're not attached to it. So once you let it go, it's out, and you can write a new story okay, yeah, so since that's out of the way, I'm this, and embodying it, being confident, yeah, that's me, that's my story, and now there's nothing you can do about it. But also being open to how the story unfolds, because you're not attached to a specific way. You just know, you're just in the knowing of how it will happen, but you don't know how. Maybe it may be better than what you want. And that's all. You're gonna get what you want no matter what. And if it's not exactly how you will get it, it will probably be better. Most likely. It will be better. No other way around it. So that's what I want you guys to, that's what I really wanted to talk about today. So I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below. You are enough. You deserve the best. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.